Welcome to Rehab Lab, a newly formed sustainable ocean city. Come join our team of experts who've dedicated their lives to nurturing and protecting our oceans. Your first challenge is taking on the battle against plastics in our waterways. Guide the plastic recovery boat through the estuary to collect all the plastic heading into the ocean. You'll learn about the most common plastics removed from the water and how we can prevent them from getting into the water again. On your way back to the lab, rescue a sea turtle and bring it back for emergency care and rehabilitation. The next task is to collect mysterious pollution in the water that is threatening our entire marine ecosystem. Collect all the pollution to restore the ocean quality and deliver samples back to the lab. You'll learn the source of several types of ocean pollution and how to prevent it from coming back in the future. After completing all your challenges, you could turn your focus to helping us build our sustainable ocean city. What do you think is needed most, and how will you build it? We can't wait to see what you create.